Hey guys, so real quick video, just want to make real quick. So I'm doing an LED light thing. I would record it, but we've had some stuff go on where I can't get someone to film for me, but it's all good, it's all good. There are plenty of videos on it already, but I just kind of wanted to talk about it a little bit because I think it's really cool. So I've already done one. And I'll show you how to do this side, or at least or at least tell you how to do it. So LED, look at that. It's kind of flashy on here. There you go. But yeah, before, after. It looks really good. I've got these for the doors. I've got these for the for that light there. And I'll show you how to do all of them. But so first, you want to take a flathead screwdriver, just like this. Pretty basic. And take it, and you want to wedge it right here, because you've got a clip here. You can kind of see it right there, that little darker spot there. So you got a clip there, and then a hinge point there and there. So you kind of want to get it from the hinge point. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I'll show you afterwards. All right, now that I've got it where I can kind of hold the camera and wiggle it, you kind of see what I mean. You've got the clip that clips in there, hinge point there, and a hinge point here. And this is the little thing that comes out. Very cool. And you've got like a little metal plate here. I was going to try to take it off, but I think I'll leave it on there. It's not really hurting anything, not, being able to come off. I saw somewhere where you can take it off, but these little pieces here on mine, they're like locking it on there where I can't get to come. Good Lord. I've got ADHD and I can focus better than this camera can. Jeez. Anyways. But yeah. So then you've got your little light up there. I'm just going to use this to make it a little easier to get it to come out. And pop goes the weasel, and out it comes. And there's your old bulb. Just an old filament. We'll throw that in there. Now we're going to take this. You probably want to grab it by here. And take it and just push it into those little clips like that. Push this little button here. First time I did it, I didn't expect it to be that bright. And it was like a flashbang, bro. It got me. Alright, so now, to put it back in, you want to take one end of... Come on, focus. You want to take that hinge point, put it in the little socket. You'll see that little socket right there. Take it, put it back in like that. Do the same thing with the other side, like that. You kind of have to fiddle with it a little bit. Then take your little clip here. Like I said, you kind of have to fiddle with it to try to get it to go back in there. Give me just one second. All right, I got it now. It kind of had to pull it back this way and then push it back that way and then lock the hinge points in. Yeah, cool. That's awesome. I love that. All right, now the dome light. That's gonna be a tricky little guy there. So I'm gonna move to the back seat to make it a little bit easier to get to it. All right, while I may have just messed up, close this door, and then I close that door. So, crap. Let me figure out how to get out of here. And, cause you have to have that door open to get this one open. So, give me a minute and I'll figure it out. And I just got a device that a alert that said device is too hot. So, I'm gonna figure this out real quick. Freedom! free. Whew. That's God's sign of, hey, go take a break. Which I am promptly gonna do real quick. So, I'm gonna come back in just a minute. Alright, take 2 on getting this. So we should be able to just take that and just cut. Oh, will I be able to do it on camera? Oh wow, hey, there we go. Oh man, kind of nicked it a little bit. Where did it go? If you're wondering what I'm doing, I just took my, there it is. Yeah. But I just took my seat and laid it all the way back so I could get to this. And let's see, how does this come out? I think I saw something where like you push that in. All right, I'm gonna figure out how to get this thing out and I'll tell you about it when I get it out. All right, so it's just as I thought. You push in this side here and it kind of falls out. So, but yeah, there's that. Now we need to grab one of these. Cool, so now we got this. So now we should be able to just take it and put that end in there. What? Put that in there and then push that. Keep pushing. Oh, come on. I think that's in. Oh yeah. Now we just take this cover. It's got 2 pieces there that you insert. And then just push it. Just like that. Cool. All right. Dome light done. Or dome light done. Map lights done. Now we get those lights done. Okay, I'm starting to think that we should have done these first. I say that because I opened the box on this, and what is there? Little pry tool. We could have used it for literally everything else. Well, let me go ahead and just turn these off so we're not burning anything out. Because this is going to take me a minute. So, first what we need to do is get the pry tool out. So how this works, I think, you just grab that and then just kind of pry it. Oh. Yeah, so that doesn't want to come off. I'm gonna come back when I get these off. All right, so my phone's getting really hot, so I'm gonna try to finish this up. So, yeah. Got this out finally. If you're scratching the crap out of my door. So you just need to pry this little lens cover piece off and we can get into this. Actually, probably what I'm gonna do is unplug it from here so we can get to it a little bit easier. All right, good Lord, this thing won't focus at all. So, I just pulled this piece off, so now we have that there. And so now, what we can do, and I just pulled that piece out. So, now I'm gonna pull this bulb out and throw in one of those. Voila, just like that. Also, be very careful. That bulb can get very hot. I figured that out the hard way. So now, I'm going to put that cover back on and then pop it back in there. Wish me luck, because that looks like it's going to be a pain to get back in there. So, yeah, I will update you when I get this back in there. All right, so I had to fiddle with this a little bit because now it's kind of loose. Kind of wants to pop out. So be very careful when you do this, because now I've got to figure out how to get this back without messing it up. I may just end up taking some glue and gluing this back on there. Yeah. So be very careful when you do that. You can break clips, which is not good. So, anyways, well, hope y'all have enjoyed. Hope y'all got a little something out of this. New LED lights, I know that they're not on, but oh well. Hope that y'all have enjoyed. I will see y'all later. Deuces. Hey guys, just want to show y'all a quick after. Look at that. Look at those lights. I know that one looked like it was flickering, it's not. Got this one glued back on over here on this side. Got it glued back on. So, yeah. See everything a lot better. I got these. Thought they'd look nice to cover up some of the spots where the paint's chipped. Yeah, that's about it. Hope y'all enjoyed and got something out of it. I'll see y'all later. Peace.